Before buying a 360-degree dash cam, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Rove R2 4K Dual. Let's kick things off with the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Priced at $129.99, this dash cam caught my attention with its impressive features and a solid 4.5-star rating from over 12,900 reviews. If you want a reliable dual camera setup that records in stunning 4K, this is worth a serious look. This means you can easily identify license plates or faces from a distance, which is crucial if an accident occurs. Plus, with its 150 degrees ultra-wide angle, you'll have a broader view of your surroundings. The night vision feature, powered by the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor, ensures you get clear footage even in low light, so no dark corner goes unrecorded. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. But here's the thing, once it's set up, you'll appreciate the clear video quality and the peace of mind it provides. It comes with a free 128GB card, which is a nice touch for storing all that footage. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality video without breaking the bank. But skip this one if you're looking for something with more extensive features or need remote access. Now, if the installation challenge of the Rove R2 4K bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AZDOME M660. Next up is the AZDOME M660, priced at $219.99. This one really caught my eye due to its comprehensive 360 degrees coverage and solid ratings. If you want to capture every angle around your vehicle, this is worth considering. The M660 features 4 adjustable lenses, providing a complete view from the front, rear, and sides. Plus, it records in 2.5K for the front and 1080p for the side and rear, offering clear details that can help in case of disputes. With built-in 128GB eMMC storage, you can say goodbye to the hassle of carrying extra memory cards. Now, a few users have pointed out that the app can be a bit finicky when downloading videos. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the speed of the 5G Wi-Fi more than makes up for it, allowing you to download videos incredibly fast and share them easily. This is perfect for you if you need comprehensive coverage for maximum security. However, skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward setup without the complexity of multiple lenses. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for clarity and night vision. Product number 3, Vantru N5S. Now let's talk about the Vantru N5S, which is priced at $299.98. This one is a bit on the higher end, but it caught my attention with its advanced low-light performance. If you need a dash cam that excels in night vision, this one's worth your time. The N5S features SDARVIS2 technology across all 4 channels, which means you get incredible clarity even in dim conditions. It records in 2.7K for the front and 1080p for the rear and cabin cameras, ensuring you don't miss any details. Plus, it has a buffered parking mode that activates when your car is off, capturing any suspicious activity around your vehicle. Some users have mentioned that its price might be a bit steep for what it offers. But here's the thing, if you drive at night or in low-light conditions frequently, the enhanced night vision can be a critical feature that could help you in unexpected scenarios. This is ideal for you if you often drive in poorly lit areas or want peace of mind parking your car. But if you're on a tight budget, you might want to look at more affordable options. Now, if the higher price of the Vantru N5S feels like a stretch, the next product offers great value without sacrificing too much quality. Product number 4, WIZACE 4-channel. Next is the WIZACE 4-channel dash cam, which is incredibly affordable at $59.99. This one surprised me with its features at such a low price. If you're looking for budget-friendly protection, pay attention here. The WIZACE offers 360 degrees recording with 4 camera angles, including front, rear, left, and right, all in 2K quality. It even has night vision capabilities, so you can feel secure even in the dark. However, some customers noted that the video quality isn't as sharp as some higher-priced models. But honestly, for the price, it still provides excellent coverage and features that can help protect you without emptying your wallet. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable solution for basic protection. But skip this if you want high-end features and crystal-clear video quality. Now, if you want something with a bit more reliability, the last product on our list offers both quality and value. Product number 5, ZMOPO 4-channel. Finally, we have the ZMOPO 4-channel dash cam priced at $99.99. This one gives great value for those needing solid coverage at a reasonable price. If you want a reliable option without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. The ZMOPO features 4 full HD 1080p cameras, providing comprehensive vehicle coverage, including the interior. Plus, it comes with a free 128GB card, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Some users have mentioned that the manual is a bit lacking in detail, which could confuse first-time users. But honestly, with a little patience, the setup is straightforward, and the performance is impressive for the price. This is perfect for those looking for a reliable dash cam that offers a full range of features without a hefty price tag. But skip this one if you prefer a more premium feel and advanced tech. So, we've covered a range of options from budget to more premium models, each bringing something unique to the table. To wrap things up, we've looked at the Rove R2 4K, AZDOME M660 Vantru N5S, WIZAC 4-channel and ZMOPO 4-channel dash cams. Each has its pros and cons, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for high-end night vision or just a reliable budget option, there's something here for you.